Hi, welcome to my newest listing in Mesa. This home is perfect for first-time home buyers, winter visitors, or anyone that's looking for a really cute home, very low maintenance, easy living. Let's take a tour. This single-level home is perfect. It's move-in ready and it's in a great location in a gated community with 2 community pools, one of which is heated in the winter. You're just off of Lindsay and Southern, so very easy access to the 60 freeway and all of the shopping and restaurants that are around. This beautiful low-maintenance home has 3 bedrooms with a split floor plan and 2 bathrooms. There's an open great room with upgraded kitchen cabinets and plenty of counter space with a breakfast bar and a designated dining area. There are upgraded window treatments and tile in all of the high traffic areas. These homes go fast, especially in this condition and price range. Don't miss your opportunity for a turnkey, low-maintenance home. To finish off this wonderful home, you have a great low-maintenance backyard, plenty of room for entertaining. It's got artificial turf, lots of travertine pavers, and lots of privacy with single levels all around. You will totally love this home and enjoy calling it your own. Please feel free to reach out for more information at 480-225-5710, or you can always follow me on Instagram and see all the homes there at Sharon Sells Arizona Homes. Thanks.